quick little video for you, YouTube. So, I bought the Optoma UHD50 about, well, today is, fucking, what is it? So, about a month ago. And I really tried to love this product. The picture quality looks great. Obviously, I didn't have anything side by side to compare it to. Previously, I had a 4K TV, sold it to get this. Looked pretty sharp to me without even a screen put up. I was about to put the screen up today, but I finally just said I can't with this. So the main problem with these units is they have a buzzing sound from the 4K actuator, and it is absolutely unbearable. So in my case, I had it mounted right there. So it was absolutely dreadful. I'm talking about like the absolute millisecond of silence. You notice the buzz no matter how much you try to drown it out with higher volume. Those silent moments are ruined, and you get absolutely no immersion when you're watching a movie and that buzz hits you. And that's with the fan off. With the fan on, it's even worse. Like, turning the fan off creates even more heat, and you get a considerably less bright image, but it's just not worth it. So you're saying to yourself, okay, maybe it's a defect on your unit. It most likely is, but there have been multiple units with this problem. I've contacted Optoma support about 3 times and hoping in vain to get a different person on the phone, but I don't know how, but all 3 times, including one of the times was Amazon calling them for me on my behalf so we could do an exchange, and they were just completely unprofessional. Just they had the mentality of I was as if I was criticizing their favorite music artist or their brother. Like, they said, "Oh no, trust me, that's you're just over exaggerating," or something like that, or "Oh, it's a common problem. It'll vary." So when this product launched initially, they were replacing units like mad because just the design was piss poor, and they have different manufacturers apparently for the actuators in the units. So that created a big uproar, and I'm sure they lost lots of money. Meanwhile, they boast statistics about shipping the most 4K projectors in that time at launch. Meanwhile, yeah, look what happened. They're replacing 1 million units, and then I'm pretty sure the higher ups are just like, yeah, we're not gonna fucking have a business left if we keep doing this. So they ended up going with the whole spiel of it's your problem now and you have to deal with it. And if you're gonna return it, don't go through us, go through Amazon, which is fine. But they said, okay, we'll get back to you for the return label so we can get an exchange, and that never happened. And then they pretty much refused at the end. They're like, yeah, no, it's not a real problem. So do not ever buy an Optoma projector. I had a HD20. I'm sure a good amount of you who are projector fans know that model and the model. That was a great projector, but the fan noise wasn't good. But I mean, it wasn't as bad as this. Like, as far as the day and age, that was at least back in 2010, I believe, or 09. But regardless, do not buy from them anymore. The company has gone down considerably. I hear the UHD60 doesn't have this problem, but for my space, it wouldn't project a good enough image as far as size goes. For throw ratio, this has a good throw, good picture, but that buzz is unbelievable, and it just leaves a really bad taste in your mouth when you call support and they try to treat you like you're a fucking infant asking for a push pop at 7-Eleven. You know what I'm saying? So I hope somebody at Optima sees this and just understands, just what a fucking shit launch y'all had. And then you try to do damage control and look what happens. So I mean, look, the reviews are piled high with people who have them or try to return them and have the same exact problem. So just, I don't know what's going on over there at Optima. This turned into a rant, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Just remember, don't buy this. Go get a 4K TV. Unless you're gonna get, like, I hear the BenQ is not as sharp, but it doesn't have this problem at all. Go for something like that. Don't cheap out. Or if you have the bank, or just really want a good quality projector, I got a buddy who has the Sony. Uh, forget what the model number is, but those things are phenomenal. Sony really puts a lot of work into that, unlike their PlayStation line. Just terrible fans, but just save up, get the right thing. Do not get this. That's pretty much it.